Do you get frustrated when you open your Instagram and you notice there's no engagement, there's no comments, there's no likes? Just keep scrolling, just keep scrolling. Double tap, double tap. Forget this. Wait a minute. No, never mind. Spam. Ugh, forget it. But maybe. Aha! Wasn't there some sort of a seminar going on about Instagram or something like that? Yes, there was. Hey, what's up? I'm Brad Poirier. I'd like to invite you to an Instagram seminar being held at the Craven Community College in the Small Business Center on April 3rd at 8 a.m. What you'll learn there is the best tips and tricks to use Instagram for your business. What do I mean? I'll show you all of the best tips on how to use hashtags, how to use locations, how to use Instagram stories, how to use Instagram video, how to get the best photos for Instagram so you can get the best engagement with your audience. And the more engagement you get with Instagram, the more business you're likely going to get. And by the way, this seminar is free. So there is limited space available, so I would recommend you smash that little link thing that's somewhere here, one of the places, and go ahead and register now. There's no cost to register, and I hope to see you there on April 3rd at 8 a.m. See you later.